What's up guys, today I will show you how to clean up local disk C and make your Windows operating system run faster. Step 1. Open Start menu, click on Run. Enter temp. And click on OK. Then you will see this window is open and click Continue from it. Now you will see all these folders and files, and select all from pressing Ctrl and A. And delete them permanently by pressing Shift and Delete. Now you will see some items can't delete and just click Skip for them. Now open the Run box again and type %temp% and click OK, and then you will see all the temporary files. Again select all the files and delete them permanently by pressing Shift and Delete. Skip these files. Number 2. Cleaning the recycle bin. Did you know, if you delete a file in your computer by right-click delete or hitting delete from your keyboard, it will not remove the file from your computer and it will store in your recycle bin. All the space which required by your recycle bin is stored in your C drive, and collecting huge data and files in your recycle bin is a factor for your C drive, and it will be a big factor to slow down your computer. Therefore always remember to clean your recycle bin to keep your system healthy. So let's clean up the recycle bin. Go to the recycle bin and right click and click empty recycle bin to clean it. Step number 3. Uninstall unwanted software and programs. Another main factor to slow down your computer is unwanted software and programs. So always remember to uninstall unwanted software and programs. Open up your Start menu and search uninstall, and you can see add or remove programs. Open it and you will see all the programs in your computer, and you can uninstall all the unwanted software and programs and make your system run faster. Step number 4. Optimize the C drive. For this you'll have to go your My Computer or this PC window. On your C drive, right click and click on the properties. And from here you have to go Tools and click on Optimize option. You will see this window open, and make sure you have selected the C drive, and once you've done it, click on the Optimize button once again. Now you will see the C drive is starting to optimize.